Before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel, press on the notification button. So if you want to trim an audio, maybe for making a ringtone or a music video on Android. So for this you don't need to install an app, you have to just tap on the link given below in the description, or else you can search on Google mp3cut.net. Now the site will open. Here you can select the audio from the folder you want. So, okay, I'm selecting my audio. It take a bit time to upload it. Now, you have to select the portion you want to cut. So here I am selecting a portion. So by tapping here you can cut it. And then just save it, and after saving it will get download on your phone. So if this video was helpful, then please like and subscribe to my channel and press on the notification button.